At RMT, we empower clinicians to make faster, more informed decisions, delivering better outcomes when they matter most. Introducing Rows Now and Section Now are cutting-edge live dynamic imaging solutions. With instantaneous response times, these tools provide crystal clear visuals for rows, frozen sections, and rapid assessments, enabling pathologists to act with confidence in real time. Choose the power of our remote robotic controlled microscope, complete with a height adjustable Rose cart, or opt for our non-robotic solution paired with an advanced 4K camera. Whichever you choose, you're getting a game-changing leap in telepathology. But we didn't stop there. When paired with our F50 slide preparation device, RMT solutions drastically reduce prep time and enhance sample quality, streamlining workflows and accelerating decision-making like never before. Coming soon is our chat feature, built for seamless virtual collaboration with real-time voice-to-text communication that keeps your team in sync, no matter where they are. Plus, powerful tools like rmtHealthCheck, which alerts you instantly to network disruptions, and simple login, offering effortless one-click access to ensure your system runs smoothly and securely. At RMT, we're not just keeping up, we're redefining what's possible in telepathology. Let's transform the way you work. Contact us today at 631-491-6614 or email us at info@rmtcentral.com to learn more.